Good morning, King John School. Happy Monday. My name is Mr. Steele, head teacher. It was great to meet many of you online last week. My assembly today, I think it was important to speak to you. I wanted to tell you a little bit about how I'm getting to know the school, a little bit about what's going on at the school at the moment. When I spend time over Christmas walking around, I firstly started with this corridor. There's so much tradition here. So much tradition of all the different shows that's going on, the way the community being involved in the school, and I was blown away at the quality that is around. Our vision is a quality education for all. I'd like to show you around the school. Let's see what the teachers are up to. Okay, let's start with student support. Here I am in the student support room. This is where it all happens throughout the day and first thing in the morning. We're checking your attendance, we're checking your welfare. We've got a team of fully committed staff here working with year groups to make sure your education is of quality and that you are well cared for. Throughout the day, our teachers are here, social distancing classrooms, delivering remote learning. As you can see behind me, we have an English lesson going on. Students are logging on to their teams, making sure they're getting quality first teaching via a remote learning platform. Feedback on this has been genuinely fantastic from lots of the community. For everybody who's logged on, we're so impressed. There'll be lots of rewards given out over time for all those students that are fully committed to their remote learning. Please do keep contact with the school should you have any issues, but totally impressed.
Here we are on our on-site provision. Students working hard, linked to live lessons that are currently going on around the school. Please do take note of our critical and key worker criteria and get in contact with the school should you need to. At the end of each day, we quality assure our remote provision. We check to see which students have logged on, which students haven't logged on. We do this by subject, we do this by year group. We go through and we make contact immediately where students haven't logged on. We are relentless in the fact that we need to make sure that students are logging onto lessons and that quality first teaching happens all of the time.
And sixth form, one of the best performing sixth forms in the country. I cannot wait to get this room filled up again with you all on independent study. During this time, keep focused, keep motivated. Make sure that you are a success. Finally, just to say that we really miss you. The staff, the leadership team, the wider community, we're all missing you around the building. And I, for one, can't wait to meet you all personally. To prepare for that return, we have set up a testing site here at King John School. Further guidance will be sent out for that. I would like to thank all parents and members of the community who have offered their services and support in order for us to carry this out. It leaves me to say, keep safe, follow the guidance, and we look forward to seeing you soon.